Just look at the texture. It is soft, moist, and vibrant. This is our delicious Nigerian moi moi, and if you're wondering why it looks green, then you have to watch this video to the end. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Didi Ekanem. You're very much welcome, and like I always say, here is a safe space for everyone, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. So why are we here? We are here because I want us to try out a new recipe together, something I am super excited about because it's going to be my first time of trying it as well as your first time of seeing it. This recipe would definitely blow your minds. You guys need to hold me at this point because these crazy food recipes keep popping into my head, and you guys know I must definitely try them out. That's why I want us to be trying these crazy recipes together. Today's recipe is very unconventional yet super healthy and delicious. It is packed with nutrition and colorful. So what are we making? We are making vegetable moi moi. You heard that right. Moi moi, but with a twist that is super healthy, packed with nutrition and light. Let me just add, this is not a regular moi moi. It is vegetable packed, highly nutritious, and light. It is perfect for fit fam, vegetarians, or anyone that wants to try out a Nigerian classic with a twist. This moi moi is visibly stunning because of the color, you guys. Imagine eating green moi moi. Oosh! It is everything. So without rambling too much, let me just show you guys what we'll be needing for our vegetable moi moi. So these are all that we are going to be using for our vegetable moi moi. Right here we have the moi moi leaves. I want to use moi moi leaves for this recipe because I really want to have that moi moi taste. And we are going to be using some seasoning cubes. We are also going to be using tatashi and shombo. We are also going to be using ground crayfish, scotch bonnet peppers, onions. We are going to be using smoked Titus fish, some eggs, and the star of the show, which is the pumpkin leaves right here. And of course, our beans. The first thing we are going to do is to blend the beans. I have already peeled the beans to save time, but you can soak and peel the beans to your own texture preference, okay? So to do that, I am going to cut up some vegetables because we are going to add the vegetables to the blender together with the beans. I'm gonna cut this up. Blend the beans. I'm not going to use all. We are going to be adding the vegetable. Ooh. Oh my gosh. And we're also going to be adding our tatashi and shombo. Not so much because obviously we want the color to be green. So the color of the tatashi and shombo does not overpower the vegetable. You guys already know that vegetable has its own water. So when you're adding water to it, you're going to be very mindful with the amount of water you add to blend the beans, because the vegetable is also going to release its own water. You want your batter to be thick. So I think that's okay. Let me blend it first. So what do we do? 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 I think the beans is too much for the blender, or should I add more water? But I'm scared because you know the vegetable has its own water. So I don't want it to be watery. But oh my god, what do I do? Okay. That's why I said we are going to try out a new recipe together. It is my first time as well as your first time. So whatever mistakes we are making, we are going to make it together, and I'm not going to edit anything. There's a lot of water already, so I'm not going to add more water to it. I'm going to figure it out.
going to transfer the batter into the bowl. Very green.
Now we are going to add the Scotch bonnet peppers. The reason the Scotch bonnet peppers was not blended alongside with the beans is because I actually wanted to see the pepper in the moi moi. And now we're also going to cut up some onions and then add the onions to the batter. You can cut your onions into any shape. This is the shape that I prefer. Now we're also going to add some ground crayfish. Just add as much or little as you need. We're also going to add some seasoning cubes, and then our smoked Titus fish, and then some olive oil instead of palm oil. The reason for the olive oil is so that the color of the moi moi does not change from green to red. You don't want to use palm oil to tamper with the color of the moi moi, so you want to maintain that green and vibrant color. Then you're going to mix your batter very well to ensure that everything blends in together. This is the texture that your batter is supposed to have after blending it. So you want to be careful the amount of water you use to blend your beans. And now we are going to cut up the eggs and get it ready to be used, because we are going to be tossing it inside the moi moi. I wanted to eat all those eggs. I was just like, oh my gosh. Now it is time to wrap our green moi moi. You guys, the way I'm holding this moi moi leaf and the way I wrapped this moi moi in this video, you're going to think I'm a professional when it comes to wrapping moi moi. But let me just tell you, I struggled off the camera. If you see the struggle, I don't know. I know how to wrap moi moi, but each time, like every time I want to wrap moi moi, I always make mistake. I don't know. I will make mistake like once or twice before I'll finally get it right. But anyways, I did a good job, and then the water was already boiling, so I placed the moi moi nicely on the vegetable stems. Those are pumpkin leaf stems because I couldn't find the moi moi leaf stems, so I had to make do with the pumpkin leaf stems. So you're going to cover the pot and let that steam for about 25 to 30 minutes, and it is done just like that. Our delicious green moi moi is ready, guys. I mean, take a look at that. It is soft, it is moist, it is vibrant, it is super tasty. It's my first time of trying it. It is my first time of testing it, and I love it. It is absolutely delicious, not to talk of the health benefits, the nutritional value.
And just like that, guys, our delicious vegetable moi moi is ready. And if you're wondering what it tastes like, it is super delicious and yums. Oh my god, I love it. I love the color. It is green and yummy. I love it so much. Oh, everything. So let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this recipe, and please don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate that. Turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I post a video, okay? Thank you for joining us, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.